Hey guys, what's up? It's Austin Vijay. Welcome to my new video in which I'm going to discuss how to play Minecraft on your School Chromebook 2020. I've been watching a lot of videos recently and it all are saying to download this file, go to this site. It means it is a complex process to play Minecraft too. So why am I doing this complex process when I have got 3 simple websites to play Minecraft? Let's get started. The first one is classic.minecraft.net. Where okay, it's been loading. Say it can be a little laggy or not very HD graphics, but it is good for time pass. If a username, we'll go for HYU. Oh my god, we are here. I'm a Minecraft node. I am a Minecraft node. I'm already saying, don't judge me. I'll update this. Hello. Is there anything we can do? Are there fishes? Hello. Wait. Hello. So yeah, it is a fun way. Oh my god, we have reached bedrock layer. It is fun for time pass. The next site we are going. Okay, let's pause this. The next site we are going for is Crazy Game Minecraft. Yes, you can search it normally and click the first link. So there's a lot of games related to Minecraft. So let's click this. Let's play now. Okay, we are full screen. Nice interface. Loading. Showing me and by women. We go for survival. Let's go for survival. Let's see how much pretty game it is, so it doesn't need loading. WSDR, no shift, space, okay. Hello, star autograph, star big fan. Can you take? Oh my god. Yeah. I little poor graphics but good for time pass. Let's check if it's better than any other old game. Begin. Anyways, that says true front sunset with this game word. Game word Minecraft. Okay, let's click play the game loading. It's loading. Continue the game. New game. What? Where am I spawned? Am I breaking bedrock? Let's head to this link also. Let's go for parkour. Let's play the game. Oh, we can play PUBG too. No, thank you. Dragon Ball Z. There's a lot of games, but I won't try it now. Start. Oh my god, we are here. Oh, hey, that graphic is good. Nice. Don't judge me, I'm a noob. Alright. Stop showing me anger. Oh. Oof, oof, oof. Sorry. I will complete this. I will complete the I'll complete the video, I'll complete the parkour, I'm a pro. Oh my god, close. Okay. Oh yes, nice. So guys, that's it for this video. It is a easy tutorial, easy games for time pass, which includes Minecraft. I've given three links. First link is classical.minecraft.net, second is crazygames.com, and third is gameverse.com. And there are a lot of games related Minecraft, and there are a lot of games related Minecraft and other games also. You can try them also. It is goes for time passing. So downloading and wasting your time, you can play this instead. Thanks for watching. Sayonara.